Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. In the following paragraph, certain words have been omitted. For the blank, first, 4 options are given. Choose the best option for this blank. This is our blank for which we have to choose the right option from the given choices. In the paragraph, the narrator says that he wants to get rid of the monotony of the obsolete and set out to sail. The word given for the option above is spleen in this context because it is synonymous with obsolete and so has to be chosen as the answer. Answer is option number 4, spleen. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. In the following paragraph, certain words have been omitted. For each blank, 4 options are given and we have to choose the option which is best for the blank. For this particular question, we are looking for an answer to be filled in this blank. Whenever the narrator feels gloomy, he says he sets off to sail. The word given in option number 1, grim, in this context is synonymous with gloomy and so has to be chosen as the answer. Other 3 options are out of context, so our choice is option number 1, grim. Answer is option 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. In the following paragraph, certain words have been omitted. For each blank, 4 options are given and we have to choose the best option for each blank. For this particular question, we are looking for an option to be filled in this blank. Okay then. Now, the word just before the blank is damp. The narrator, damp, and the word in the blank are both describing November. So the word in the blank should be damp. Such a word is given in option number 2, that is drizzly. Drizzly means rainy. All the other options convey the opposite idea and have to be rejected. So, the answer would be drizzly and not the other 3. Our answer is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. In the following paragraph, certain words have been omitted. For each blank, 4 options are given. We have to choose the best option for each blank. For this particular question, we are looking for an option to be filled in the last blank of the paragraph. To the answer now. Hypos in option number 3 means stimulation. The narrator says that whenever he is overstimulated, he sets off to sea before he does something stupid. Thus, hypos given in option number 3 fits the blank. Thus, it is the answer. Option 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.
Hello, I'm Dirkha. Direction. In each sentence below has a blank, each blank indicating a missing word. 4 number words follow each sentence. Choose the option that best fits in each blank in the context of the whole sentence. And the sentence is, the instinctive ability to do something well is called, an instinctive ability to do something well is called flair, which means a natural ability to do something well. The second option, that is probable, it means a minor weakness in someone's character. That is refuted. Flare, it means a sudden outburst. Third is also eliminated. And fleek, it means mark, spot, dot, etc. So the answer to our question is option first. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Dirkha. Direction. Each sentence below has 1 blank. Now each blank indicates a missing word. 4 number words follow each sentence. Choose the option that best fits in each blank in the correct of the whole sentence. Choose the option that best fits in each blank in the context of whole sentence. And the sentence is, the inclusion and use of new words in a language is known as neology. It means newly invented words or phrase. Option second, neophyte, is a person new to subject, skill or behavior. Second is eliminated. Third, Neolithic. It means belonging to or remaining from an earlier era, which is refuted again. And neonate is a newborn child. So the answer to our question is option first. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Dirkha. Direction in each sentence below has a blank, each blank indicating a missing word. 4 number words follow each sentence. Choose the option that best fits in each blank in the context of the whole sentence. And the sentence is China's dash against India in 1962 was a biggest lesson that Indians could have learned. Now, in this sentence, according to the context, option third, that is treasury, would be the best answer, as option first and fraud, which is in the same meaning, which we cannot fit here, that China's fraud against India or China's trickery against India, which is wrong. So we refute first two options. And the fourth is unreliability, is again not in the context of the sentence, so we refute it. Treasury, it means violation of faith. Which fits best in the sentence here. China's trickery against India in 1962 was the biggest lesson that Indians could have learned. So the answer to our question is option third. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Dirkha. A sentence has been given to you. The question is, his dash voice acted like a sedative and his audience were soon asleep. Now sedative means calm or soothe. We have to choose an option which can be in the relation to the whole sentence here. The first option, that is vehement, is impatient or violent. Now if a voice is violent, it cannot let the audience to sleep, so we refute it. Third is plaintive, which means mournful, sorrow, again which is not according to the sentence here. And vociferous is to cry out noisily, which is also not the option here. The option which we are left is monotonous, which is characterized as a sound continuing in a one note. So the answer to our question is option second, that his monotonous voice acted like a sedative and his audience was soon asleep. So the answer to our question is option second. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Dirkha. The question is given to you in which a word is missing. From the following options, you need to choose a word which is most appropriate here. The sentence is, the strength of the professor's argument was seriously undermined by his drawing of dash comparison between unrelated subjects. Now we are talking about a comparison here between the two subjects, and specifically it says that it was undermined. In that case, we cannot choose the option first, that is tenable. Second is tenacious, which means forceful or powerful. Forceful and powerful comparison between unrelated subjects. Now that was seriously undermined. Again, this does not match according to the sentence here. Fourth, it says tendentious. Now tendentious is having an underlined purpose of, again which is not related to the sentence here. The option which we are left is option third, which is vague, which means shadowy, hazy, which is the answer to our question. The strength of the professor's argument was seriously undermined by his drawing of vague comparison between unrelated subjects. So the answer to our question is option third. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.